What's up, YouTube man? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, which you probably are because this is my first video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, give this video a thumbs up if it ends up helping you, because that'll help me. As you can tell already by the title, we just gonna get straight into it. What you need to start doing shoe customization. Now, before I just jump into it, I just want to make a quick note that honestly, these are key things that you guys might want to pay attention to. I wish somebody had told me this before I went out and just started buying shit basically without looking for it. So just please take note of this, bro. It'll help you a lot. It saved me, so I hope it'll save y'all. So first off, these are the paints that I had bought before I found out about the paint that I'm gonna show you guys, which is Angelus paint. Now these, I was told at I think Michael's that you could paint shoes with them and products. So I think they thought that I was trying to paint, I don't know, like canvases or something like that, but I'm pretty sure I told them, you know, I'm trying to paint shoes, and they told me to basically buy these. Now, I bought literally over $100 worth of paint, as well as them telling me that I needed to buy this Mod Podge to hold it over. So altogether, I'd say 120 bucks. Waste of money, literally. Don't buy it. Don't waste your time on it. Buy Angelus paint, you guys, okay? So now that we know what paint not to buy, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into what are some of the key things you need when it comes to starting a shoe customization business, when it comes to doing any type of shoe customs, anything that has to do custom related. It doesn't have to necessarily be shoes. It could be bags, purses, it could be clothing, just anything of that sort. So I'm gonna just jump straight into it. I'm gonna move the camera so you guys can see exactly what I got here in front of me. Lego. Okay, so like I was telling you guys, one of the first things you're definitely gonna need is brushes. These brushes I actually bought off of Amazon. I think they were 25 bucks with free shipping. Amazon Prime, get it. Anyways, yeah, so these are the brushes I bought. They're really good. You want to make sure that you get kind of a mixed style of brushes. You don't just want a simple tip. You don't just want the same tip. When it comes to shoe customization, I really use this one a lot, and the fine point one. They really help you get right in the cracks and crevices of the shoes, as well as this one with spreading over the big base of the shoe. So just make sure when you are going to get brushes, I mean, they don't have to be expensive, you guys. You know what I mean? I bought these brushes when I bought the first paints I showed you. They were 25 bucks, like I said. You don't need to go out and get these gold tip brushes and all these expensive ass materials that you see other customization people using. You're a beginner just like me, then this would be straight enough for you. Next thing, the paint. Like I said, Angelus paint is preferably the best paint, acrylic leather paint, what I'll say, to use when it comes to customizing shoes. This little kit I bought on Amazon too. It was 36 bucks. Comes with these little 1 fluid ounces of paint, different color mixtures. You do get a black and a white in there. So I would recommend these. I mean, if you're just starting with shoes, man, you don't need nothing too crazy. These really do the job, actually really good. I'm actually like super happy about how my shoes are starting to come out using this paint versus the cheap Michaels paint that I got. Not hating on Michaels, but I'm just saying, if you're trying to do shoe customization or bags, get you some Angelus acrylic leather paint, man. This isn't no sponsor video. This is nothing like that. This is just me trying to look out for y'all like I wish somebody did for me. All right, next is strengthening nail polish remover. Now, I know a lot of people probably are gonna say, you know what, you shouldn't be using nail polish remover. You should probably be using full percent acetone. But honestly, bro, it doesn't matter. This shit gets the job done for me. I got it from Target. It was cheap. I didn't care. I am still gonna go get 100% acetone. If you look on the back, the ingredients, the first thing you see is acetone, bruh. So, with that being said, if this is all you have laying around the crib and you don't have a lot of money in the beginning like your boy did, then this should do the job. Pretty sure y'all got a mom, grandma, auntie, girlfriend, or a cousin in the crib that has some nail polish remover, bruh, because this will work. Just pour you some of this on a rag or a cotton ball, or whatever the hell you want to use, an old t-shirt, doesn't matter. You want to always prep your shoes with this or some type of 100% acetone before you apply your paints, you guys. I wish somebody told me this. It's very key in the process, because otherwise your paint will crack, it will come off. and a whole bunch of other bad shit will happen. So make sure you get you some acetone. Make sure you get you some nail polish remover. If you can't afford acetone, you're not close to acetone, you don't want to go get acetone, this shit does the job just as well. You dig? All right, so pretty sure all you guys know what this is. If you don't, then you're just shit out of luck. So Scotch tape, any type of tape, painter's tape preferably though. I see a lot of people that do shoe customs use that yellow tape, or they'll use duct tape, or they just use, you know, all the type of tape that's not supposed to be used. I personally have talked to somebody and they recommend Scotch tape, painter's tape. Reason being is because painters use this tape. You feel me? Why would you use another tape that's not for painting if this one does the job? I'm not saying that you do have to get this Scotch blue painter's tape, but I mean, bruh, it's used to literally paint with. So I recommend getting the blue tape. It's easier to come off. It's really, really, really good. Same flexibility as any other damn brand you get. I'm not pumping this tape up. I'm just saying I recommend that you get this, the painter's blue tape, Scotch original. Another key point in the process is some tape. So make sure you get some tape. If you know what I mean, you got a super steady hand like Bob Ross, the painter guy, I mean, fuck it. You don't need to get no tape. You could just freehand it. But hey, if you don't want to get no splats all on your white kicks or whatever shoes you're doing, bruh, get you some painter's tape, man. No, that's not shit on the rag. No, that's not no nasty shit that y'all probably think it is. It's paint, bruh. That's all it is. Like I said, I recommend you guys get you some dirty rag. Oh shit, my girl hair on there. Excuse that. Like I said, make sure you get, oh shit, there's shit everywhere, my bad. Make sure y'all get yourself some just dingy ass rags, as you can tell. These are actually paint marks, just normal paint. These are just two cheap little washcloths from Target, like $3 for 3 of them. And they really come in handy, you know what I mean? All right. Next on the list, as you guys can see, this one is an actual drawing pencil, so the lead on this one actually is going to be a lot lighter than a number 2 pencil. So if you don't want it to be too dark or too hard to erase, I definitely recommend a drawing pencil. This one is a Mars, whatchamacallit. So just make sure, you know what I mean, you get you a standard pencil that you want to use. Now, most important tool of all, wish somebody told me this. When it comes to doing stencils, you guys, you want to have an X-Acto knife. Reason being, and what an X-Acto knife is, if I could take this off in one hand, this is an X-Acto knife, you guys. What this does literally is helps you when it comes to cutting your stencils out, cutting stuff off of paper to put on your products or your shoes, and also cutting out the threads on shoes and products that you're using. I definitely recommend an X-Acto knife. This one I actually got from Staples. It comes with 3 extra razor blade tips. Really, 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 really good standard X-Acto knife. Literally costing me $5. I think maybe even cheaper, maybe even 3. I got this probably about a year ago. Never used it until now, and now I'm just like, damn, bruh. Good thing you got that, Clev, because this is something else that you really need when it comes to doing paint. So this is an Angelus Dueler. What I've learned from watching videos, just like you guys probably are doing, or just like you should be doing, a Dueler basically helps with paints like this, for an example. So any Angelus paint that you buy that doesn't have a flat or matte finisher in it, which normally it would say like matte red acrylic leather paint or something like of that sort, the Dueler is what you would mix with that red paint to all together get you that matte finish look that you just make sure you guys pour a little bit of Dueler. You can watch videos on that. I'll probably drop a video later showing you how to mix it. But that's definitely something that you guys need if you're just buying the regular Angelus color acrylic leather paints that don't have a Dueler in them. It'll definitely help you out a lot. You also want to have a finisher. You could buy a matte finisher from Home Depot, or you could buy the Angelus acrylic matte finisher online. It really doesn't matter. They'll both get the same job done, you guys. All right, you guys, so thank you for tuning in, man. I hope that video was a little bit informal. Like I said, I was just trying to help you guys out. Like I wish somebody had helped me before I went and bought everything that basically wasted my damn money. So everything that I basically put in this video is definitely shit you need. Easy information, little quick tips that can help you. If you really enjoyed this video, please, like I said, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I have a lot more shit coming, a lot more customs I'm going to start dropping on here, a lot more helpful product to help you guys that are trying to start doing shoe customization and whatnot. I know there's a lot of people out there doing it, but I mean, there's never too many people that are doing it. You feel me? So like I said, man, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. You guys will see what I got coming for these bad boys right here for an order. we are gonna do a custom design, which I actually have not seen on a pair of Phasers. I can honestly say that right now, like, I really haven't seen somebody that has the customs that this person asked me to do on these Phasers. So I think it's gonna be a one-of-one, first to first. If it's not, drop it in the comments when I drop the video and be like, bruh, I seen those, you a fraud. It's like, if you do that, I'm coming, I'm finding you, I'm gonna take care of you. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, bro, with Cleb Customs, man. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, gang. I'm out of here.